Artificial intelligence is everywhere. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most organizations are failing at AI because of technology. They are failing because they don't know how to manage it.
We see pilots that never scale, models that never reach production, and experiments that burn budget without creating value.
And this is where many teams get confused. They adopt Agile, move faster, release more often, yet AI still fails.
Because AI is not just software. It learns, it changes, and it creates risk if it is not governed.
In this masterclass, we'll show you how CPMAI complements Agile, not by slowing teams down, but by giving AI direction, ownership, and accountability.
This is an introduction to artificial intelligence through the CPMAI lens, practical, business-driven, and focused on real execution, not hype.
Artificial intelligence is often described as technology that learns, reasons, and solves problems like humans, and while that definition is technically correct, it is incomplete.
What truly makes AI transformative is not the algorithm itself, but how it is embedded into products, decisions, and organizations.
In an Agile context, AI accelerates delivery. Teams can iterate faster, test ideas quickly, and deploy changes continuously.
But speed alone is not value, and this is where many AI initiatives fail.
Automation without clear product ownership fails because no one is accountable for outcomes.
Efficiency without measurable business results is fake agility. It looks fast, but it delivers no real impact.
Personalization without controlled feedback loops increases risk because models learn from every interaction.
And innovation without delivery discipline is simply experimentation, not agile.
This is why CPMAI exists. It does not slow Agile down.
It ensures that AI delivers value safely, measurably, and sustainably.
Agile shows how fast you can move.
CPMAI ensures you are moving in the right direction.
This is why product vision becomes critical. AI initiatives must start with a clear business goal, not with a model or a dataset.
In traditional product development, teams design first and validate later. With AI, learning starts early and design evolves continuously.
This is why product vision becomes critical. AI initiatives must start with a clear business goal, not with a model or a dataset.
CPMAI ensures that the backlog reflects measurable AI value, not just technical tasks or experimental features.
In Agile teams, a common mistake is assuming a user story is ready just because the feature is defined.
For AI, that is not enough. A backlog item is only ready when data availability, risks, and success criteria are clearly understood.
And then comes the increment.
In AI, an increment is not truly complete when the model trains successfully.
It is complete only when it is production-aware, monitored, and delivering value to real users.
This is where CPMAI strengthens Agile.
It adds governance and accountability so delivery does not stop at demos.
In AI, a sprint is not done when the model trains,
but when it runs reliably in production. Personalization is where AI feels magical and where it can become dangerous.
AI enables products and services to adapt to individual users, creating experiences that feel relevant, timely, and engaging.
But personalization is not a one-time release.
AI systems learn continuously. Static releases are replaced by ongoing learning cycles.
This is why Agile fits naturally with AI.
Fast iterations allow teams to test, learn, and adapt quickly.
But speed alone is not enough.
CPMAI ensures that continuous learning stays controlled, intentional, and aligned with business goals.
Now here is the critical shift.
In AI, user feedback is no longer just feedback.
It becomes training data. Every click, interaction, or decision can shape future model behavior.
And without governance,
the same feedback loop that creates value can amplify risk.
Bias increases with every iteration if it is unmanaged.
That is why CPMAI adds oversight, monitoring, and accountability,
To protect trust,
while systems continue to learn and scale.
Agile helps AI move fast.
CPMAI ensures it moves in the right direction. Customer experience is no longer just about service.
It is about anticipation.
AI is transforming customer experience by making interactions more personalized, immediate, and seamless.
Customers no longer compare you only with competitors.
They compare you with the best experience they have ever had.
AI enables personalized interactions through chatbots, virtual assistants, and recommendation systems.
These systems respond faster, at scale, and across channels.
But personalization only works when it is aligned with user needs and business goals.
CPMAI ensures personalization is not just technically impressive, but meaningful and measurable. AI also changes customer experience by acting before problems appear.
Predictive models identify potential failures in products or services before customers notice them.
This shifts organizations from reactive support.
To proactive service,
Agile allows rapid improvement.
CPMAI ensures predictions are reliable, governed, and trusted. Customer feedback is no longer just text.
It is data.
AI analyzes sentiment across reviews, chats, calls, and social media.
This provides real insight into customer satisfaction and pain points.
But sentiment models can drift, misinterpret language, or amplify bias.
That is why CPMAI adds monitoring, validation, and accountability.
AI can transform customer experience.
But only when it is managed, governed, and continuously aligned with value.
Agile helps teams move fast.
CPMAI ensures customer trust moves with them. Predictive analytics is one of the most powerful applications of AI.
It allows organizations to look forward, not backward.
By identifying patterns and trends in data, AI supports better, faster, and more informed decisions.
But there is a critical truth many teams ignore.
In AI, every prediction is also a decision risk.
In finance, AI is widely used for fraud detection, risk assessment, and investment analysis.
These models predict abnormal behavior, credit risk, or market movements.
But predictions are not facts.
They are hypotheses based on data.
Agile allows teams to iterate quickly.
CPMAI ensures financial predictions are validated, monitored, and governed before they influence real money decisions.
In healthcare, predictive analytics can literally save lives.
AI supports disease prediction, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery.
But incorrect predictions can also cause harm.
That is why healthcare AI requires strong governance.
Agile sprints help test assumptions.
CPMAI ensures decisions are ethical, explainable, and aligned with patient safety. When people talk about AI and jobs, the conversation often starts with fear.
But CPMI starts from a different premise.
AI is not here to replace humans.
It is here to augment human capabilities.
AI increases productivity by automating repetitive tasks.
That frees people to focus on creativity, strategy, and decision-making.
But this only works if teams understand how AI actually fits into their work.
That's why Agile teams need AI literacy. In CPMI, product owners play a critical role.
They translate business value into AI outcomes.
They do not prioritize models.
They prioritize use cases.
This ensures AI is solving the right problem, not just an interesting technical one.
Data scientists focus on building and validating models.
But within CPMI, they don't work in isolation.
They operate within governance, data readiness, and business constraints.
This protects teams from building models that cannot be deployed, trusted, or scaled.
And this is where AI project managers become essential.
They orchestrate the full AI lifecycle.
They align stakeholders,
Manage risk,
and ensure AI moves from experimentation to sustainable execution. Agile helps teams move fast.
CPMI defines who decides, who validates, and who is accountable,
Together, they create AI-powered teams.
where humans stay in control.
Here's where many AI initiatives quietly fail,
Not because the model is wrong.
but because ethics were treated as an afterthought.
Agile by itself does not include built-in AI ethics.
It helps teams move fast.
But it does not define governance, controls, or accountability for AI.
That's the gap CPMAI is designed to fill.
In AI projects, ethics is not a phase.
It is not something you review once and forget,
Ethics must live in the backlog.
and evolve continuously with every iteration. First, data privacy.
AI systems depend on data, often personal and sensitive.
CPMAI ensures teams protect user data, define clear usage boundaries,
And make privacy a management decision, not just a technical one. Second, bias and fairness.
every iteration can amplify bias if it is unmanaged.
CPMAI introduces oversight to detect, assess, and mitigate bias over time.
This is how trust is built and maintained. Third, transparency and explainability.
Users and stakeholders need to understand how decisions are made.
CPMAI encourages explainable models and documented decision logic.
So AI does not become a black box.
And finally, security and safety.
AI systems can be attacked, misused, or behave unpredictably.
CPMAI ensures security, monitoring, and rollback plans are built in from the start.
Fast delivery without ethics is not innovation.
It's unmanaged risk.
Agile helps teams iterate.
CPMAI ensures they do so responsibly. This slide addresses a hard truth about AI adoption.
Most AI initiatives don't fail because teams move too slowly.
They fail because they move fast in the wrong direction.
AI adoption introduces new types of complexity.
Not just technical complexity, but data, skills, governance, and ethical complexity.
This is where many Agile teams struggle.
Let's start with data.
Agile practices cannot compensate for poor data quality.
If data is biased, incomplete, or unreliable,
Faster iterations only amplify the problem.
CPMAI forces teams to validate data readiness before execution.
So teams don't sprint confidently in the wrong direction. Next, skills.
Team velocity and delivery speed do not replace AI expertise.
AI initiatives require data science, model understanding, and lifecycle management.
CPMAI clarifies roles, responsibilities, and decision authority.
So speed is supported by competence, not guesswork.
Ethics is another major barrier.
Concerns around bias, transparency, and safety can block AI adoption, especially in regulated or high-risk industries.
Especially in regulated or high-risk industries.
CPMAI embeds ethical oversight into delivery.
So trust is built continuously, not negotiated after deployment.
And finally, failure.
Failing fast is only valuable when failure is managed and learned from.
Unmanaged failure wastes data, money, and trust.
CPMAI introduces checkpoints, monitoring, and rollback decisions.
Turning failure into structured learning, not repeated mistakes.
Agile helps teams move faster.
But CPMAI ensures they move with purpose.
By reducing rework, waste, and blind experimentation,
CPMAI helps organizations focus effort where real value exists.
as we look ahead, one thing becomes clear.
AI is no longer just a technology trend. It's a strategic force reshaping how societies, industries, and organizations operate.
Let's start with smart cities.
Agile shows how fast teams can move, but CPMAI decides where, when, and why.
In smart cities, speed alone is dangerous.
AI impacts public safety, infrastructure, data privacy, and citizen trust.
Agile accelerates delivery.
while CPMAI governs data usage, public impact, and long-term accountability. Now, precision healthcare.
Agile enables rapid experimentation and iteration.
But CPMAI defines what is safe, ethical, and clinically relevant.
In healthcare, wrong predictions cost lives, not just money.
CPMAI ensures responsible data use, controlled decision-making, and measurable patient outcomes.
And finally, autonomous vehicles.
Agile supports fast experimentation.
But CPMAI manages risk, trust, and deployment readiness.
In autonomous systems, the question isn't how fast we can ship. It's when systems are safe enough for the real world. CPMAI defines those decision gates.
The future does not belong to the fastest teams.
It belongs to teams that combine agile speed with AI governance.
Teams that understand that innovation without accountability is risk.
And that AI success is not about experimentation,
but about execution, trust, and sustained value.
If you want to learn how to apply this mindset in real projects,
and move from AI experimentation to execution,
you can find the full CPMAI course by scanning the QR code.
or following the link in the video description.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the full masterclass.